Hey everyone, welcome back to Supernatural. Today we're watching episode 15, Gimme Shelter. The last episode was a pretty wholesome one, so I definitely think this next one will be a bit more dramatic, a bit more dangerous, more story-driven. We also saw Dean and Jack finally talk with each other, and we learned that Dean really tries to forgive him. So I really hope that those two are getting along better now. Yeah, let's not talk too much and watch the episode. Yummy.
She should eat outside, away from, people. So do something about it, Connor.
Why are you so rude?
We have house rules about being clean to eat here.
Wow.
Yes, we have rules. Lead with compassion on this one.
Wait, I think I know. We know him? What? Who is that? A teddy? He stumbled upon a teddy bear? Not another talking teddy bear in the series. What? Okay. That was weird.
Okay.
Cas!
Hey, right on time.
Finally. I missed him last episode.
You can't just charge in. We're not, okay? Plus, she and I used to have a thing, so.
Wow. He is risky.
You sure it's nothing spooky? I mean, a kid got killed. It's tragic.
Oh, are Jack and Cas gonna go on a case?
Great.
I'd love that.
You know what, why don't you and Cass go run it down just to be sure?
Yes.
Yeah, maybe you can help.
Yes, come on, Cas.
All right.
I want to see you and Jack.
Highway to heaven, that bitch.
I'll get my suit. We wear matching ties.
Oh my god, I love this already.
This is Agent Lovato, FBI.
Oh no.
Long Lovato? You know them Baby Yoda.
I just graduated from CSI.
Jack!
What I call the trap
Oh, that reminds me when Cas did his
Even
first
finding tiny
cases.
bags with chicken bones inside. Anyone smelling?
He even held the badge the wrong side too.
I don't.
We also haven't had demons in ages. I just realized that the other day when I rewatched some old episodes.
I did that once. There were so many cat photos. It was just... There were too many cats.
The internet loves cats.
Someone should be here. We don't want to make a deal.
Oh, it's
Do tell.
kinda awesome to see a demon
How can
again.
Zach be of service?
Wait, are angels solving people crimes now? Well, like Highway to Heaven, but with murder or something? Because I would watch that show.
I am watching that show.
If you didn't do it,
A crossroads demon who can't bring in a deal? Like, what even am I?
You're a deviant soul corrupted by hell.
Well, yeah, yes. I mean more in like a work-life balance sense.
Okay.
Oh god.
We should go.
Yeah.
Wait.
Oh. You are not taking the money. No. You're a bad person. Oh, so does that thing call for persons who did bad things? What a weird mask.
We knew there was gonna be a catch. At least this time it's not you and me.
I have a feeling that he still doesn't want to kill Amara because of their connection they had.
It's in our heart right now, and we hope to see him again.
And I kinda suspect this guy. He's weird.
To his memory.
like nice, but almost too nice.
Father God, watch over your child. Bless him with your grace, your love, and your guidance.
Must feel weird for Cass, knowing that God doesn't help at all. Oh, she's alive. Oh no, I don't want to see... No. No, don't chop up her fingers. Greed? So the other one was a liar, and she was greedy, but what's that about? Where are we? In a Saw movie? Ow. Come on, what is this? That's just like Saw. Why?
The pastor is your father.
He's a
Oh.
better preacher than he is a dad, but yeah.
Well, I have more dads than most,
Hmm.
and I always just feel like I'm letting all of them down.
I've been
No,
there.
you're not.
Not going in for a snack?
Oh, I miss snow.
4 hours till all you can eat. Lane closures, I-76. Damn it!
They're just doing a huge road trip in this episode.
I think we can do better than that.
What?
Miss me?
Back to Jigsaw. Just that Jigsaw would be better. And she doesn't know what she can do. Like, what is she supposed to do there?
Jesus, our newest friend, Jack.
Hello,
He's so sweet.
My name is... Well, my name's not important. I do know what blind faith is. I used to just follow orders without question. And I did some pretty terrible things.
Oh yeah, you did.
I found myself lost. Something
He's gone through so much.
I guess I found a family.
No.
And I became a father.
Ah!
I rediscovered my faith.
Cass, you're making me cry. Ah, stop it, Cass.
Chuck and I were twins. Creation and destruction, light and dark, balance.
Of course, makes sense.
And when we split apart, all this was created. I'm sorry. I can't help you.
Well, it was worth a try. Are we doing the 7 deadly sins now all over again? But lying isn't one of the sins, is it? No, it isn't.
Why did you bring her back?
Oh,
You
Mary.
said that you wanted to show me something.
I wanted you to see that the real, complicated Mary was better than your childhood dream because she was real.
But now she's dead all over again, so...
I'm not angry, Amara. I'm furious.
Okay, yeah.
To know that all my life I've been nothing but a hamster in a wheel, stuck in a story. And you know whose fault that is? Chuck's.
I'll think about it.
Wow. Dean, you did it. Crazy.
The FBI guys told me not to, but I posted something about it, and my feed is going bananas.
Wow.
So many frowny faces.
Are you serious?
Can you believe it? I believe. You never did.
What? Why?
Your mother was sick. She wouldn't even go to the doctor. She said, put your trust in God.
And he called her home. And you made fun of her for that. You're nothing.
little boy trying to make your daddies happy.
Yeah, well, about that. He's not.
Don't hurt her!
Wow. Egg. Now he's got something new to believe in.
What about you?
Hi, I'm Cass.
You're an angel.
Yes.
Oh, not a very good one.
A very, very good one. The best one. So I guess it was just humans.
What happened to her?
Oh, him.
I spent my life taking care of all these other people. Should have been taking care of her.
You can't always do everything right.
I've been lying to you. I'm gonna die.
What?
When I killed Chuck and Amara,
No.
I'll die too.
No, no.
What?
Come
Billy's
on.
spell's been turning me into some kind of bomb, and when I go off,
I don't want him to die again.
don't tell Sam and Dean.
This
Why
is
not?
They won't understand.
if this is how they're gonna end the series. No, I won't forgive them.
This is the only way.
I watched you die once and I will not do it again.
Same here, man. Also, go focus on the road. I hate when people just talk in their cars and are not looking on the road. It's driving me mad.
Wait, what's happening? Where are you going?
Going to look for another way. I have to.
Thank you, Cass.
What the hell are you talking about?
Thank you.
There's something you and Sam you need to know.
Are you gonna tell him? Cass, stop making me cry this episode. I hate it. Oh, I hate this show. Oh man. They just know how to do conversations like this. They always did. From the start of the show. There's always those deep conversations at the end of an episode that got me. Whew. Okay, Jack's gonna die. I don't want him to die again. He's becoming more and more of my favorite character. Maybe he even is. He's just too perfect and too sweet to die again. I don't want to see this. Dude, the series finale is gonna break my heart in so many ways. I can already feel it. But yeah, this episode was great again. The story with Sam and Dean and Amara was a bit... I don't know what to think about it, honestly. It was just... they're driving all the time and suddenly she was there. But I mean, I get that they wanted this episode to focus on the relationship between Cass and Jack, which they did in a brilliant way. It was nice to hear Cass opening up a bit and telling his story to the others and especially to Jack, and that he has faith now again since he has a family, and that was so beautiful. I want to see more of those two together. We haven't had that in a while, so that was really, really great to see. I'm wondering if Amara is really gonna go with the plan. I mean, she doesn't know that they are trying to kill her too, but yeah, I think that whole conversation with Dean in the end changed her mind a bit. So we'll see. yeah, the case from Cas and Jack was a bit weird. I liked the pastor, he was a cool guy. And he kinda reminds me of someone. I think I've seen him in something, but I can't put my finger on it yet. I'll have to search later if I don't forget it. Yeah, but the whole thing with the daughter, that was a bit weird just because her relationship with her dad wasn't like she wanted it to. She punished other people? I don't really get it. But yeah, I guess like that one guy in the beginning said, he said something about the killer watching too many horror movies. And yeah, well, I guess she did. That whole Saw setup was a bit weird, but I liked it. Kinda. I mean, I like the references to it because I'm a big Saw fan. I don't know if you can guess. It was kinda cool to see something like that, even though Jigsaw would have done it 1,000 times better. But I'm not complaining. Yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, like and share this video, subscribe to my channel. I would love it. I'm having so much fun doing these videos right now, and it would mean the world to me if you could go on this journey along with me. Yeah, I guess we'll see each other in the next episode. Bye!